Wasn't I the person who said that they didn't like the Ultraboost 21 design? And here I am doing another unboxing. Does that make me a hypocrite or... Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming through. If you are new to my channel, my name is Naka Friedel, aka Naka F, and I welcome you all to my channel. So we are going to do one more, I promise, one more Ultraboost 21 or Adidas Ultraboost 21 unboxing. I really happen to like this colorway, and so I decided I was gonna get it, and then I said I'm done. I think I have enough Ultraboost 21, and I also think that I talked a lot of smack about it, and I still decided, you know, I'm gonna say I mainly got it for the comfort, but I also have plenty of Ultraboost 20s that I could have just, all right, so I kind of like them, okay? Okay, all right, I like them, kind of. But I like them enough to buy them, let's just say that. So with that being said, we're just gonna get into the unboxing. I think in terms of sneaker releases from now on, I'm really just probably gonna be going for Yeezys or something else that I like. I think I am going to be done, honestly and seriously, with Ultraboost 21. I think I have enough for the year. I haven't been having the best luck with getting Yeezys, even the slides or the foam runners or anything. And I'm not mad about it. I'm definitely not someone who likes to go on the resale market. And I know I'm going off on a tangent real quick, but I don't like to go on a resale market. You know, I bought one pair of Yeezys from StockX and I paid twice the price, and I'm just like, no, this isn't what I want to do. If I don't get them on my own, then it just wasn't meant to be. And I've just kind of learned to live by that. But yeah, and then even like I tried to get, I've never owned a pair of Jordan 1s, and I don't even really wear Jordans at all anymore, but I still have a few left in my closet because I did sell some and I gave away some, donated some, but I wanted this one pair of Jordan 1s that I was so in love with, and I didn't get them, and I'm super sad, mainly because I was out of range when I used the sneakers app, so I wasn't even able to get them or be able to pick them up. Initially, before it dropped, I was gonna try to get it on GOAT because they did, I guess, release them outside of the United States. I was gonna try to get them, but I was like, if I don't get them for retail, I don't want them. It's kind of how I feel about it now. Anyway, we're gonna get into okay, we're gonna get into this unboxing. It's gonna be super quick. And thank you so much if you've watched all of these Ultraboost 21 unboxings so far. Thank you so much for watching. This is our last one. This is our baby. And I guess we can do unboxings for other things, but let's get into it. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the Ultraboost 21 in, I forgot what color this is. I'll put it up on the screen, but I mean, to describe what I'm seeing, this is a very light or pale gray with an iridescent bottom. I just don't know why the pink isn't coming up on. So on the bottom, if I move the sneakers a certain way, it starts to show pink, which is what I really liked about it. I like iridescent things depending on the item. And for some reason you can't see the pink. Okay, well, I mean, you can always go online and hopefully you can see it online, but for some reason it's not showing up on camera. And I think I'm done moving the sneaker around 100,000 times trying to show you. Okay, but I really like the sneaker. I really like the colorway. And I don't think I have a sneaker that's this color gray. It's a very light gray, and I like it. I can totally see myself wearing this a lot because it's not white, but it's not something that I would care as much about getting dirty, but I just like it. And I do like that this has the dark gray Ultra Boost here, just to remind you that having different types of grays can all smush together and make a good product. So I like that a lot as well. And then of course you have the dark gray at the bottom of the sneaker. And then you have dark gray and light gray at the bottom of the sneaker, as well as the pink cushion at the ball of the well, this is around the ball of the foot, so at the front of the foot. So I like that. And I do think that they chose pink down here to kind of highlight when I'm trying to figure out the word I'm supposed to say. Shift, right, that is the word. So you should be able to see the shifting of pink when you see the sneaker at a certain angle. And so I think that's why they highlighted the pink shift in the sole of the sneaker and the boost part of the sneaker with the bottom part as pink. That is pretty much it for this video. I am going to be hopefully coming with other unboxings that are not Ultra Boost 21. And also my birthday is coming up. I am a June Gemini. June Geminis are definitely different from May Geminis, but I love all my Geminis out there. So I am hoping to make a vlog, so do keep a lookout for that vlog. My birthday is June 16th. Me and Tupac's birthday is June 16th, and I'm going to go to the city and celebrate a little, not too much, but a little, and just like spend time with the people I love, aka my mom and, you know, my other family, unrelated, not by blood, but related family. And then that's pretty much it. I'm hoping that the vlog comes out well, and I'm just hoping that I have a good time and spend time with good people and deal with life as best as I can. And I'm still grateful for another year. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching another Ultra Boost 21 unboxing. I am not gonna try these on, and I realize that I'm just now saying this at the end, but I'm not gonna try them on. I am going to put a link up above if you want to see a video where I tried on a pair of Ultra Boost 21s. This way you can see what it looks like on me. And what it just looks like, being tried on. But I'm not gonna try these on because I feel like I've tried on a couple of 21s already. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you again for your love and your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.